Well, hello, this is Cabal Lover, and I am the clan master of the legendary clan, the Cabal Killers. And you join me for COD Mobile Halloween, the Chainsaw Massacre. Because what we're going to be doing in this one is using the chainsaw that comes with this gentleman here, Gunzo Devil Jester, and you can see he comes equipped with his own personal chainsaw, a Devil Jester, a legendary melee weapon, and we are going to use this and practically nothing else in a battle to see how it fares. I'll be honest with you, I haven't really used it very much, so it'll be interesting to find out how it works. So let's go. Now obviously I'm doing this in Pumpkin Confirmed because it'll help us earn some points for the clan war, which is of course incredibly important, and also it'll just give it a very Halloween feel to our Chainsaw Massacre, which is going to be on Rust. That is probably good news because I most likely would like a smaller map like Rust or Shipment to try and use this melee weapon, which is a very here it is, whoa, which is a very close to weapon. Let's see it in action. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? Look at it. I think it gives a great noise as well, if I remember.
Can we hurry this time? I have a birthday party to get to.
Okay, let's see what happens. I probably should have chosen the perks that go well with. Oh, that's one! Take that! Ah. Okay, we've got our first kill anyway, that's always good. Back into the melee. Ooh! Come back here! Okay, let's go back round again. So just have a look at it while we're in this corner. Like, you can see it, you can see it. Ooh. Ah. I'll be honest with you, it's just not moving quite quick enough. I do like a nice katana, as we all do. Was that my own player I was trying to kill? To be honest, in this Chainsaw Massacre, the only person getting massacred is me. I guess that's my own fault for bringing a knife to a gunfight. Yeah, there's another one. Oh. Okay, but you got to love this sound, haven't you? You got to love the sound. That sound and the action is pretty cool, isn't it? It's not deadly. Well, it is deadly, but obviously it's not as deadly as, say, a katana or something, but it is fun. Okay, let's get this little melee weapon out again. I see my next victim. Oh no! Okay. Here we go. Can you see one? I can see them. Here they are. Oh no, I'm dead. I guess I should try and creep up on them a bit better. Ooh. The good news is, it's only 120 needed, which is crazy. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Enemy UAV spotted. I can't see anyone. I'm just going to stick. I'm being disciplined. I'm sticking to the edges of the map. Because I feel that the edge of the map gives me my best chance to. Friendly airstrike incoming. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV oh yeah. I do feel that the edge of the map. If I get anywhere near the centre of the map, there's just too many people to shoot me. Is the honest answer.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Airstrikes are in.
Friendly swarm activated. Hostiles have destroyed your sentry.
Okay, so as I said before, I'm going to try and stick to the edges. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, there we go.
Destroy enemy stealth chopper. Hostile predator destroyed. UAV online.
It certainly is a massacre.
Heads up.
Oh, I want to go back and check my sentry gun if it's still, if nobody has destroyed it already. Give it a little protection. No, it's already gone, of course.
Enemy contact.
Come back here! Come back here! Ah.
Hostile stealth Stealth chopper inbound.
No. You did me well. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Chainsaw Massacre. Chainsaw Massacre. Oh, what was that? What killed me then?
Has been destroyed. Enemy airstrike incoming.
Oh, I didn't even get to find out.
Destroy enemy
I think it's
stealth
probably a
chopper.
VTOL or
Hostile
something.
sentry gun in your AO.
I am getting totally
Enemy UAV spotted. UAV online.
I am getting totally massacred in this Chainsaw Massacre. Oh, got stuck under the
Heads up.
piping.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Couple of killer clowns short of the surface. Enemy contact! Contact with enemy!
Swarm ready. Kill confirmed. Swarm activated.
Enemy clear!
Ah,
Target down! Not too bad.
Enemy
Okay.
sentry gun has been destroyed. Be advised, hostile hunter killer drone inbound. Friendly sentry gun deployed. UAV online.
here's a victim.
Hostiles have destroyed your
Where you going? Come back, victim. Yeah.
UAV spotted.
Come here, victim. I'll be honest with you. For okay, let's make this a little bit
Friendly
content based rather than just watching Gonzo the Clown die over and over. I would say, as a for effect,
confirmed.
the
Friendly
aesthetic,
airstrike incoming.
it is wonderful,
Heads up. Enemy UAV
and I'd
spotted.
say its usability is problematic.
Failing this mission.
If you're used to using the katana or even an axe, you will say that this is definitely a step down from either of these
Hostiles
things.
have destroyed your sentry
But of
gun.
course,
Kill confirmed.
unless you buy it, you won't have to suffer it.
Enemy UAV spotted.
And the other thing that's very annoying is that it's stuck to your arm. But no, it does look very good. And we've got a few good melee kills there. But
Chopper inbound. Friendly sentry gun deployed. Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted. Pick it up, team. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Kill confirmed.
here's a victim. Yeah!
Destroy enemy stealth chopper.
Well, this has been a real Halloween slasher, hasn't it, to be fair?
Predator missile inbound.
Go back. That's it. I wish that was final kill. I'd be so delighted if it was. It'd be great for everyone to see. Was it final kill? It is final kill! Miss! Miss! Hello. Goodbye. Well, this has been a chainsaw slasher Halloween movie for you. I hope you've enjoyed it. And guys, what I really need you to do is subscribe, because subscribers is what we need.
Failed.
What we really need is subscribers. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you. Goodbye.